Recently, we had the opportunity to assist one of our client, a well-established manufacturing company specializing in switches, wires, MCBs, and LED lighting products. Their 15 to 20 member content team handled critical tasks like packaging, designs, catalogs, and website content. Our goal to streamline their design approval workflow using Monday.com. The content team of the client faced several roadblocks in their day to day operations. There was a major lack of visibility into the status of design tasks. Management couldn't clearly identify priorities or track workload distribution across the team. Urgent tasks were often lost in the mix due to the absence of a real time tracking system. There was no structured way to monitor timelines or get alerted when deadlines slipped. And since they didn't require any third party integrations, the challenge was fully centered around optimizing their internal process flow. CloudCache Consulting stepped in to design a Monday.com solution tailored to their workflow. A centralized task tracking system that offers real time visibility of every job in the pipeline, from request to final approval. Custom workflows that mapped perfectly to their current processes, from managing assigning of tasks to the final feedback loop. Timeline views and automated reminders to ensure no task goes unnoticed or delayed. A notification system for overdue items so both designers and management stay in sync. And all of this was built without the need for complex integrations, keeping it simple. And all of this was built without the need for complex integrations, keeping it simple, effective, and user friendly. If your team is facing similar workflow inefficiencies, CloudCache Consulting is here to help. As a certified Monday.com partners, we specialize in building customized solutions that drive productivity and transparency. Reach out today to book your discovery call and explore what Monday.com can do for your business. Thanks. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video.